I guess you can start off with saying that when I was a teenager, I had my first, surgery, you can call it, where I had my first scar, was an appendectomy. After that, I met my future husband and got married and blessed with 2 beautiful children that I had via cesarean section. So one in 1995 and one in 1998. And so I have 2 C-section scars from that. And then a couple years later, I had a breast reduction. So I've got scars from that as well. And then in 2010, I had to have a bilateral hip replacement. It turned out that I had a birth defect, but we weren't aware of until probably till the age of 34, just after I had my daughter. I guess you just push through as a woman, as a mother of 2, you just push through, right? But as the years go on, I sort of feel that I like to be able to do normal things that people take for granted, and that being just bending down to tie my shoes, because even though I had my hips replaced, I still didn't have the ability to squat down, tie my shoes, to squat down if I drop something on the floor. I have to think about it. Oh my gosh, how am I going to get that on the floor? Number one is, just the ability not having your body able to move that way, or pain.
Okay, well, that's a little bit better. Did you feel that?
I did.
Yes, okay. So, and now go ahead and squat. Nice.
Oh my. Now a little sensitivity and level of activity.
Yeah. Go ahead and sit up.
I have never been able to sit up that fast. Ever. We're gonna do the bending.
Very nice.
Holy smokes! Oh my gosh! Oh.
I told you.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
Oh my God. From scars. That was scar release.
Wow. It's
So
phenomenal.
try it again.
Oh my gosh. Look, I could do this. And I can get back up without grabbing onto something, without having my kids help me get up. As she did every little scar, the pain began to lessen. I could actually feel the difference inside. It's hard to describe. It's magical, yet I know it's scientific, but it's right now I have no pain. I'm sitting here and I have my feet crossed, which I never do, and I'm in absolutely no pain. And I don't even know why I'm sitting like that, but I have no pain. I have done a lot of different therapies. None have treated scars ever. They've treated muscles, the different types of muscles and how they connect. And I've gotten temporary relief, which I was very thankful for, but I could actually feel the scar tissue from this treatment of the Dolphin. I could feel the scar tissue breaking up, and I could actually feel it not tight and lack of roping that was there in certain scars. Absolutely phenomenal. I cannot even describe to you how I feel right now. Absolutely phenomenal.